Hello everyone, it's me again. Hope you can hear me. And I hope you're having a great new year. And today I was going to do a video about upgrading to Windows 11. 10 is out and 11 is up, and there's a lot of machines that could that doesn't qualify to be upgraded to Windows 11. And I was going to show some of my viewers on the other side, or on my tech group. I was going to do a short video on how to do it, a very simple way of doing it, as that is. And but before that, I thought I'll do a video regarding the van, and I actually have done it, but not just the van, but I also wanted to kind of show how the video was composed per se. So let's go ahead and try to do that. First, I want to introduce you to my network itself. Let's see here. Let me see if I can change the video. Remember, I said it at the beginning. This is going to be a bit rough because it's a 1% show, so I have to do things in real time. Let me go ahead and first let me go ahead and change the camera first, so we can go to, I believe, camera number 7. Let's go ahead and camera number 7. This will be the bottom one. Start right here with my LLM server. That's large language model server, or what's also known as AI. This is a local AI server, which means it doesn't need an internet, but it's also not as intelligent as say ChatGPT or Gemini. It's not, I think it's got like 20 gigabits of prompt. I think that's how they calculate nowadays. Instead of saying gigabits of data, I say gigabits of prompt. Anyway, we'll look at this later on, and we may even build one. We may go ahead and sacrifice this one and build another one. Anyway, next one is, this is my streaming live streaming switch. This one is made by Blackmagic. You can do all kind of neat stuff, but for right now, let's just call this is my switch. And the next one is, if you look it up here, this is my multi-view monitor, and this is what I can see, what's going out, what's coming next, just whatever, whichever computer is up there, and I can see whatever I'm streaming. That's what I can see over there. That's the laptop I'm going to sacrifice for my next session in installing Windows 11. We're gonna try to kill this one and upgrade it to Windows 11 for some of my viewers on my tech group and on my other channel. And the one on the left end, the one that far, is that's also it's just a basic PC. That's what I do my little bit of my editing and just day-to-day stuff. That's my main computer. Um, and we'll see it in action in just about a minute or so. And let me go ahead and change this one to number 3. I'm going to change this one to number 3, I guess. Alright, here is how it's put together. Well, actually, let me go ahead and do this one to take it to 7. No, sorry, 2, no. I'm going to take it to, actually, to number 8. And so this is what we're going to do today, the video about. You can, I think I'm going to leave the video itself, by itself, in there for anybody to watch it. This is, again, this is part 1 of 3. At the end, this is the van we're going to make. And this is the van I'm going to be working with. If possible, in one of the corners of the van is what I would like to put all this studio stuff, so I can take it to the road and do some of my I guess do some of my key programming and stuff, so people can see it and learn from it in real time. We'll get to that. We'll get to that again. Let's see how this one is put together. Let me put it together, this one. I'm going to change first. Let's do... How are we going to do this one? Alright, let's do this one. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. How did I put it together? That video that you see right now is... first what I did is the Tigrinya instructions you see on the bottom. How did I make those? So, how I did that is first, let's see here what I did here. First thing I did was generate, I guess, instructions and what I wanted to say about the video that it's gonna go with it. I wrote it here, let's see here, I think this one right here is, I just wrote it in, no, this one is the Tigrinya version, this is afterwards, but let's see, I think it's this one right here. Yeah, this is what I wrote it. I think this one or this one might be the other one from the first one, but it's the same difference. I wrote the instructions in English, A, B, C, D. Then I put all that into an AI, and I put it actually in Gemini, Google's AI, and I had it. I asked it to translate it into Tigrinya and create an SRT file for me. So an SRT file meaning, I think for those of you probably, I think we'll get to this later, and it's not as complicated as it sounds. It does sound complicated right now, but it'll be pretty simple. It's ABCDs. It's just write something in English, and then have AI translate that. After that, create an SRT file, meaning an SRT file is something like, let me show you here an SRT file. This is an SRT file, and let me see what it looks like. There's an SRT file. What it does is it just it kind of puts the instructions you put in sequence. It's for everything you see in right now. You can look at it on the let me see here, let me put number 8 back to the front, and then we'll... Alright, now what happens here is I have, like I said, I have a video that I shot. Now I have an SRT file in Tigrinya. I translate in Tigrinya, and then I ask AI to change it into an SRT file. And then next thing I was looking for was a music. The music that'll go with it. If you can find just a music that as a background, just a music, that's good. But sometimes, you know, some of the sounds or a music that you like may come with a video or something, so you want to separate them, or you don't want the sound of a person or something, and so you want to split those two, and that's what I did. I found a video, but I want the sound or the music out of it without anybody talking or anything, or without the video. So what I did was I used Audacity right here, this software right here. It's a free software you can download, and you can just drop it in here. You can drop your video right here. Let's see if I can get a video, any video right here. There's a video right there. I'm just going to drop it right here. And as you can see, it just extracted the sound out of it. And then I can also, if there is a sound of a person or something, I can also take out just that person out of it, and just have only the music. And that's, in this case, that's what I did. So I took out the music out of one of the videos. After that, putting this, I guess putting all the elements together. Again, I used Shortcut software, which is this is also a free version. It's always free, and here is how it's done. And here is, we'll go through this. I'll show you how to use it, you know, one at a time. But right now, this is just an intro version of it, and I'm introducing it, or I'm introducing my studio. So I'm just going to show it to you. So I'm going to say here, playlist. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the things that I want to mix First and foremost, what I want to do is I want to drop that video, the one I shot for my band, right? So let me see. Let me use my reading glasses right here, and I'm going to put this one. Let's see here. Before I put this one, I think I'm going to go ahead and put this one right there. Here's the video I shot, and then with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the sound that I extracted from the other side, and let me see where I put it in here. Right there. I just put the audio in there, and there's my video. There's my audio, and then if I put right here, you can see it. I think I'm going to stop it before it does that, and I will put this one right here, the video part of it. I'm going to drop it here, as in I'm going to edit it. I think it created 2 tracks, so I'm going to get rid of one of them. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the sound out of it. The sound is right there that I'm going to mix. Now I have both the sound and the video. They're going to come the two together. And should I push that? I think I'll push that. Let me see if I can do. Let's see. Is it this one too? Let's go ahead and do a side. I'll tell you what. Let me just go ahead and run the van video, and I will get back to this, and I will do a video on each one of these: the Audacity, the sound editing software, the Shortcut, the video editing software. I'll just run separate videos for them, and you guys can see how it's done. Otherwise, let me just go ahead and run the video right now. Guys, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Other than that, thank you guys. Bye.